I actually wish I would have known this sooner. I think my streams would have been better. It would have sounded better. There's a lot of background noise. PC and all that stuff. You will hear that. Do you hear it? I don't think so. So I went to filters, added a noise suppression, good quality, more CPU usage, which is fine. I got a good CPU, so no big deal. So I'm using that high def elimination of the background noise. Okay. So now you don't hear the background noise. Let's get closer to the PC. Oops, I banged my knee. Sorry. You don't. Let's knock on the table. It's okay though. No one knocks on my room. Ain't no better because I'm a professional YouTuber. I make millions of dollars on YouTube every year. You're right!